Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Final Cut Pro for audio ducking and mixing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Ensure you have your audio clips prepared in your timeline. Select the primary clip that you want to feature prominently in your audio mix. Right-click on the clip and choose Audio Components from the drop-down menu. In the Audio Components panel, locate the Duck option. Enable audio ducking by checking the box next to it. Adjust the sensitivity level to control how much ducking will occur. Next, select the background audio track from the timeline. Return to the Audio Components panel and ensure it's still open. Set the background track to a lower volume level, ideally between -10 dB to -20 dB. Play back your project to assess the balance between the primary and background audio. Fine-tune the volume levels of both tracks until you're satisfied with the sound. If necessary, apply additional effects like compression on the main track to enhance clarity. You can also use keyframes to adjust audio levels dynamically throughout the project. Double-check your audio settings in the Overall Preferences tab for optimal performance. Once you are happy with your audio ducking and mixing, save your project. Export your video to finalize your work. Now you're ready to share your polished audio experience with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.